Good day, everybody. So today we're gonna do a DIY dually tires for my trx6. So I'm still using the stock tires. Same thing with the stock hex over there. So basically we need a washer 4 mm and a lock washer. Same thing 4 mm. A 4 mm nut or Allen nut, what you have to call this one, I don't know. And we need this is the important part. It's they call it 4 mm female stainless steel hex standoff spacer coupling nut. So that is 4 mm inside. So basically we need this nut and the lock washer right there. Oops. There you go. Put this one in. Don't forget to use a thread lock. So that's in. Next, we're gonna put the tire on, but as you can see, just to show you, this one will not hit this because it can push through. What will hold that is the lock washer and the washer. So basically, if we put this one there, just for example, it's like that, and then this one is attached to that one inside. When you tighten up the screw, this rim or this tire and rim will be sandwiched with this tire, so it's gonna be pressed onto this tire. So don't forget to put a lock nut, a thread lock here. Okay, because basically it's gonna be like that. See, if you can see, if you tighten up the screw, it's gonna be squeezed. It's gonna be squeezed, and this rim, the back of this rim, will hit this rim, exactly that rim, because they're gonna be squeezed by this lock nut. Lock washer and washer together. Okay, let me put it together and then I'll show you. There you go. It's not tighten up yet. I'll do the other side and then I'll show you the difference between the dually and the regular one, which is on the other side. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so this is how it looks after we've done the dually tires. So that's it. trx6 with dually tires. Oh, by the way, this one is about 43.3 mm length. Okay, looks sick. See, so that's the one with dually. And when you turn it over, and this is the regular one. I have extension on this one. I put an extension on this one, about 5 or 10 mm, I forgot. That's without the dually DIY and with the dually DIY. There you go. Easy, guys. Well, I know Proline sells the dually conversion kit for this one, but it's quite expensive, so I made a DIY. I did try this one already on a crawling or trail. It's good. It's good. So as long as you keep the knot tight, it will not fall off. Just put a Loctite right there and the one inside, then everything's gonna be good. Okay, guys, I hope you like it. So for the people that will ask what is this blue thing, I just put a fender right there because I don't want the mud going inside my rig. So I just DIY a fender inside. So even if the mud will splash on it, it's just gonna be on the fenders right there. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. trx6 dually tires.